Hey guys, Disneycollector here with the spring basket from Play-Doh. It comes with a lot of molds, a lot of Play-Doh, and some Easter eggs. So let's open this basket and start molding. This basket came with 7 cans of Play-Doh, pink, white, purple, brown, black, blue, and another pink, 1 Easter bunny, 1 ducky, and a barbershop, plus blue and yellow Easter eggs. We also got stampers, roller, and scissors. First, we're gonna stamp. Here's our little bunny, puppy, fish, cat, and duck. Now to the barbershop. Bunny, you're first. Take a look, the hair is gonna grow. This is so cool. After that, we can give him a haircut. Now we're gonna do the ducky. Wow, that's a lot of hair for a ducky. Let's open our Play-Doh Easter eggs. Blue Play-Doh, but it's already bad. Yellow Play-Doh, it's also bad. Well, let's create our own Easter eggs made entirely with Play-Doh. We're also gonna make our very own giant Easter egg using this empty egg from Jake and the Neverland Pirates. And for that, we're gonna need lots and lots of Play-Doh. Let's start with blue, white, baby blue, orange, and more blue. Now we're gonna put all this inside Jake's egg.
Well,
I think we definitely have enough Play-Doh. And now we press. Now let's see how our giant Easter egg came out. And there, we just made our very own giant Easter egg using Play-Doh. Now, let's just customize it. Let's use this fun cutter so we can get lots of different shapes for our little eggs. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Play-Doh right here on Disney Collector.